China successfully escapes American sanctions with Huawei's success in producing advanced chips for surveillance cameras. Huawei Technologies, a Chinese technology company, has achieved significant success by delivering domestically produced surveillance camera chips for high-tech CCTV production. This move not only represents a technological milestone but also serves as concrete evidence that China has managed to navigate export control constraints imposed by the United States. Before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on other interesting videos. In the past, the United States imposed economic sanctions and technology chip export bans on Huawei to hinder the development of China's technology industry. However, Huawei's actions to overcome these restrictions are a strong indication that the company is capable of self-reliance in producing advanced chips, reducing its dependence on foreign supplies. Huawei's skilled chip design subsidiary, Hisilicon, has begun shipping Chinese-made CCTV camera chips to CCTV camera manufacturers this year. This signifies that Huawei has achieved significant success in reducing its reliance on technology from other countries, especially after the semiconductor chip technology export ban imposed by the United States in 2019. Now, a unit within Huawei Technologies has successfully delivered new Chinese-made chips for surveillance cameras. This is evidence that Huawei has found a way to circumvent the 4-year ban on chip exports from the United States. The chip deliveries to surveillance camera manufacturers are carried out by Huawei's Hisilicon chip design unit and began this year, according to one source. It's important to note that some of the unit's customers are believed to be Chinese companies, further reducing China's dependence on American technology products. Huawei's success doesn't stop at chip deliveries, it also includes its ability to overcome American restrictions on chip design software. In March, Huawei announced a breakthrough in the production of 14nm chip design tools. While it may be a few generations behind cutting-edge technology, it demonstrates Huawei's ability to overcome imposed technological constraints. Hisilicon primarily supplies chips for Huawei equipment, and before the American export ban, the company had a global market share of around 60% in the surveillance camera sector in 2018. However, due to American sanctions, its market share plummeted to just 3% in 2021, illustrating the significant impact of American actions. One source familiar with this unit's efforts stated that Hisilicon has been delivering some low-end surveillance chips since 2019, but its main focus is on the high-end arena, with the goal of regaining market share from companies like Taiwan's Novatech Microelectronics Corp. Meanwhile, Huawei has also successfully announced various new smartphones that use advanced chips, possibly produced domestically. This indicates that China has managed to avoid American export bans since 2019, which had been detrimental to the development of their technology industry. This announcement reflects Huawei's determined efforts to compete in the high-tech chip market. Huawei's success in overcoming American sanctions demonstrates that China is capable of advancing its own technology and strengthening its self-reliance. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to stay updated on other interesting developments in technology.